we go. Hey man, all right there. Here we go. One more time with the playback, man. I'll see what I can do to get it up there. Hey Bulldozer, I want to know if I can get some mustard on the hot dog. Hey Bulldozer, to ask him, does he do chili and fries with that? Hey Bulldozer, I want to know if he put mustard and does he do chili and fries on the side? Hey Bulldozer, Fatty, I'm hungry.
Alright, then, Fatty, you want to put an order in the hot dog? You said you want some chili and fries on the side and a bit of hot mustard, something like that? Hey, I don't know if hot dog still sells that sort of food, but they, hot dog. Fatty wants some chili, mustard, and some fries on the side. Hot dog, Bulldozer, right back. Hey, Bulldozer, come on.
Hey Bulldozer, that's what I want, man. I want some mustard on that hot dog with some relish and some onions. And take a side out of chili fries, man. I want a side out of chili fries. 410.
Well, Fatty, you want a side order of chili fries and hot dog students talking, man. I was trying to put the order in, Fatty. I was listening to what you had to say about the side order of chili fries, but hot dog wasn't listening. Hey, Fatty, hot dog wasn't taking no orders. Hey, Fatty, with a side order of chili fries.
Hey Bulldozer, ask him how he's gonna make money that way if he keeps talking and not listening. Take care, Dozer. Hey Dozer, I'm gonna slide to the side and let them go. Bulldozer 750. Trip, you somewhere out there? Trip. Don't be tripping out now. Old Fatty in a mobile. Break.
Hey Fatty, man. Hey, hot dog ain't taking no. He's too busy too. Imagine that's not customer service there, Fatty. Hey, Fatty, your hot dog ain't got no customer service. Fatty, Bulldozer, go down.
4 man. You tell that couple, listen up, man. I want a large Coke, chili fries, and I want some mustard on that hot dog with a lot of onions. 410.
He's still talking, man, Fatty. He don't want to listen. You
said 410, man. So that's all right, man. I'll just go to Dairy Queen and get what I want. Take it, Bulldozer. I'll give a hot dog back his stand there. Bulldozer and more Bulldozer. Oh, Fatty says, enjoy the beautiful weekend. Break.
Hey, Fatty, I just want to know where he gets his hot dog from. Hey, Fatty,
he's getting it from Cujo.
As long as he's not selling hot dogs, Fatty, as long as he's not selling second-hand hot dogs, he's using Cujo's hot dog good bite.
Tell him it's not right, man. He got to use gloves. Don't be touching the hot dog with his hands. I'll see you.
Hey, Fatty, you got all down the food night. Clutching his balls, selling hot dogs there, too.
Oh, no. All right, man. I'll go call Border Health and shut him down there. Take care, Bulldozer. Put it on you later. I'm going back on the side, read the mail. I'll see you. See some hot dog for myself. 410.
Hot dog, Bulldozer, hot dog for yourself.